everybody, name's Bluebird here, and welcome to Bluebird's Top 5 Videos on YouTube. These top 5 videos are all the guys and girls who subscribe to Kindly Crow. And I feel the best videos to get you shown, you know. So, without further ado, but first, the first few rules to apply to these competitions. You have to be a beginner person YouTube with puppets. You can't have no professional equipment. Because it's not fair, you know. People are going to start off with handycams, little camcorders they record, and stuff like that. Okay, further ado, number 5. I'm pleased to say it's the Minion Puppet March. Oh, I squeaked. So let's watch the video. Okay, here we go.
Acton Lavender from the Minion Puppet March. And I want to say happy birthday to, I think it's Adriana? Maybe Adriana. So I'm going to say happy birthday to Adriana and
Okay, that was Acton Lavender. You know, I really like how he cares for his fans, wishing them a happy birthday. That's quite cute. Okay, good job. Well done, guys. Okay, number 4. It was hard, you know, to choose number 4, but it had to be. The Zigzags with Little Mo Monster on his Halloween special video. Okay, here we go, and check it out.
And, so moving right along with our Halloween special, here's a pumpkin with my face on it!
Okay, we are back. So, Little Green Monster Golden Mo Monster, you know, he was really loads of personality and so much happiness. And that's why he got the number 4 position. Keep up the good work, Mo Monster. Okay then. So at number 3 is the box of me with a video. Where am I gone? Down there. Okay, there we go. With a video, Slimey, Kiwi, and a Sherman in New York City. Okay, yo, check it all out. Here we go.
Mind. Oh. Alright, I'm coming too. Hey, car!
Is that you?
Hey.
Yo, well done, the box of me. Piggy Pups in New York City. That's some really good stuff. And I also like the Sesame Street people. You guys are quite lucky to see those guys. Okay then. So well done to those. Okay, in at number 2 is the one and only Mr. Sam Ham, the internet pig, with his video, or his blog video, of 4-2. But he's got a special guy in it, which caught my eye, which I liked the most. Okay, so here we go. Check it out.
Special guest, take it away. Oi, 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 oi. Captain Jack Sparrow here, once again today, to talk to you mates about a pirate medley. I guess these people that sing with their voices, that means you're dirt. The found means you're dirt. Anyway, these people.
That was Sam the Ham and his special guest, Captain Jack Sparrow, who found his jar of dirt. Very good. I mean, I love that puppet. Very good puppet there, Sam the Ham. I am pleased. You're pleased, Bluebird. Okay then. So here we'll go. In at number 1 please put your hands, or furs, or paws together, or feathers, for the one, the only, Grizwold 74, with his song, I'm Too Sexy for My Shirt. Here we all go. Everybody, Bluebird's top 5 videos for November. We will do one in December. So if you didn't supply in the top 5, put some videos out there. You know, entertain us birds. And just maybe one day you could be on the top 5 video list. Of course, all those videos that I put, I've contacted the people to make sure it's okay to share their content. And also make sure you check their channels out. And of course the whole videos with a link down the bottom, down there. And give them a like and subscribe too. Okay, this is Bluebird shining out. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you all next time. For more top 5 videos on YouTube. Goodbye everybody. And see you all later.